This week-long workshop will enhance the capacity of national stakeholders to respond to oil spill incidents in a more organized and coordinated manner. The Executive Director of National Disaster Management Agency, Sanada Haba, said the training will strengthen the country's response capacity, enabling first responders to understand and respond to oil spillage, disaster management, and risk reduction, employing operational skills for activation and deactivation by defining roles and responsibilities.
NDMA's collaboration with GMA has been tirelessly in consultation and working with all institutions to formulate this plan with the GWACAF team from inception. Numerous physical and Zoom meetings were held, coupled with document sharing. These efforts are valuable and a building block for effective disaster management, with risk reduction through a multi-hazard approach creates new knowledge for the personal and institutional growth of technicians trained to reduce risk and disaster in this country.
The GWACAF project manager gave an overview of the disaster management project.
The National Contingency Plan is a key document describing the national preparedness and response system in place to ensure an adequate, effective, and coordinated response in the event of an oil spill. It is therefore essential to lay the foundation of the plan, taking into account the national context of the Gambia, the specific risk and sensitivities, and the country's administrative and territorial organization. Its development and, above all, its implementation require the commitment of all the institutions concerned.
The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Works, Moses Mendy, said the development of Gambia's national oil spill contingency and response plan has been a major concern for the Gambia Maritime Administration and stakeholders over the years.
As we prepare ourselves in the exploration of different minerals, including oil in this country, I want to say that this gathering is very timely, as it would prepare us and make us better people in anticipation of the activities therein. You may recall that as a country, we also ratified the OPRC 1990 in 2019. And once we did that, we were obliged to act according to the dictates, particularly in response to Article 6, that requires that we have a national contingency response in case we have oil spillage in the country.
Highlighting the negative impact of oil spill, he added that preparedness is a vital and often a major determinant in the outcome of oil spill response measures,
as they pose threats that could be far-fetching in terms of our economical benefits, our social and health implications. I'm sure recently we do follow that sometimes when our fish are washed on the seashore, we often have challenges in terms of getting fish. And therefore, it's important that we are conscious of the effect of oil spillage.
At the end of the workshop, participants will not only develop capacity on oil spill response techniques, but the Gambia will inch closer to acquiring a response plan that is benchmarked to international best practice. For the news, I am Isatou Jatta-Gassama.